sabi ng ibang tao, magiging new normal daw sa crude is well, I guess diesel, no, 100 pesos per liter. Is that a realistic projection?
I would say it's we have to get used to accept the fact that it won't go back to like 60 pesos or 50 pesos that we had at the beginning of this year. It just ano lang kasi if it ever goes back, then it will take a longer time than the war itself. Kasi nasira, maraming infrastructure nasira, maraming na-disrupt na supply chain, many of the oil mga oil infrastructure na sira, like in Qatar, the LNG, yung mga oil fields nila. So they have to fix that. And it will take time and it will cost money. So I don't want to be like a downer, no? Pero I think we owe it to the public to be realistic about this, na hindi lang na all our roll back tayo, everything's flowers again. No, we just have to be realistic and have people prepare for it.